So it's rainy out, and we have sort of a method to keep the mud volume down from the dogs. This morning, Kaylee let the dogs back in, and we left them in the garage for a small amount of time, and I heard her screaming. And I came to see what it was, and at first I thought they just got into like a styrofoam cup. Maybe somebody left a Sonic cup, something. No, 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 no. They did this. They tore the panel on the garage. So my goal today is to get the panel fixed before the dad gets home and loses it. So I just got off the phone with the door company, and she reassured me that it would be okay to pop the insulation out, that it's no big deal, and I could go ahead and start the process and I won't damage anything. So I did check with a professional, honey. So we got all of the styrofoam out for the most part. This little panel, which fit in there, I was afraid of pulling it out. It popped out on its own. I'm relieved. And I'm just going to measure in here. It looks like we need a piece that will fit in that's about 47 inches wide. All you super handy guys, please don't laugh at me. And about 20 and a half inches tall. And I know from measuring the broken pieces of styrofoam, it is about 1.5 inches deep. I'm sure that I'm going to end up buying a much bigger piece, but that's what I'm aiming for. So that has to be minimum. Off to the store we go. We have to do a great cover-up job. Yes, this is one of the culprits. This is the evil one. See how muddy she is. I went to our local Menards hoping to find just a panel that was the same as the other ones in this garage door. I was looking for a styrofoam piece that was laminated in the same color as these. What I did find was a 6-pack that was laminated, but it was laminated in silver, which would definitely stick out and be very obvious. So also the 6-pack was about $50, which was just a little pricey for me. So what I did instead was picked up the 6-pack of just styrofoam, which is 1.5 inches thick. So that is definitely the thickness that I need. It is 48 inches wide, which is 1 inch thicker than what I require. No big deal, I can cut that off. And although it is not tall enough, it's 14.5 inches tall, I believe what I can do is just cut 6 inches off of another panel and just piece it on top. So it's not going to look great. I won't be able to be sneaky and pretend like it didn't happen, but it is going to do the job, and the garage will still be insulated. So I'm going to give this a good old try, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I need 20.5 wide, or sorry, tall. So I'm just going to need 6 inches more of styrofoam, the whole length of the panel. So what I'm going to do is just measure off 6 inches and then run a line down it before I cut. Section of 6 inches by 47 inches, which is going to be the top portion of the panel. I'm getting ready to cut it. I think that I probably don't have the most ideal knife for this job. I went ahead and bought this Way Cool self-loading, which I didn't know until my son Grant discovered it. What is it called? A box knife? Is that what
box cutter?
Box cutter. I think I probably need a serrated knife. If all else fails, I might try to use my bread knife. But, so yeah, I've got like 6 pieces to work with. So I am looking at this like a trial piece. If it works great, if not, then I've got some more.
There you go.
Okay, so we've switched to my bread knife because the box knife wasn't great. And what he's attempting to do is a series of small little motions. So this piece is going to go up against the molding. So this nice smooth piece will go and fit against the other piece on the bottom of this other panel. So we're just going to go ahead and mark off an inch, cut that off, charge the phone a little bit more so we can finish videotaping the process for all you other desperate people out there. And then we'll meet you out in the garage in a few minutes. So there were screws that were going into the old foam panel, just a tiny bit. And since Grant was handy with screws and stuff, he's loosening them just a little bit. We're all the way.
All the way.
All the way. And then we're going to slide the panels in. And then he's going to tighten them back up so the door doesn't fall apart.
Yeah. Snoop.
Okay, are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Okay, so that slid in easy enough. Really easy. And then we have the next part, which may or may not be easy. We shall see. This is the part that's probably going to be a little difficult.
I say, let's pray. So
You have to go in. I don't know, Grant. I don't know. Maybe we need to.
there we go. All good.
Yep. As long as you can get it in there and not shred it.
We also have to get the rest of it in too.
It's like birth in reverse.
I would say let's try to get it in. Oh.
Oh man.
We're good.
Well, we have 4 panels left. Okay, what about something smooth?
My personality.
Hold on. Pause the video. I have an idea.
Don't. All we do. Look at that. It doesn't fit. Are you recording it?
Yeah.
I want to get done before Mom comes out. What? I didn't do it! This is the side we have a problem with.
Well, it should if we can shove it over.
I did. I guess as far as we can get it. I think it'll, because it's flex, it's like compressible. So I feel like we'll just wait. Dad'll never know.
It's gonna kill it.
Yeah. This is weird.
I think it should come over this way more, though. Is what I'm feeling.
Well, okay, we could try, but how do you want to do that?
Here, let me see this for a sec.
Uh-huh. I don't think we can move it over anymore. At least not like this, we have to pull it back out. I think that we can just squeeze it in and pray. Because I don't really care about that corner, that back corner that's going in. And I don't think you do either. As long as it goes in.
Maybe a longer wedgie thing?
Yeah, because I'm having a hard time getting around this handle. Ooh, it's close! And not in a good way. Can I get the bottom in more?
Can you use that to sort of...
Maybe. You're smarter than me.
No, I don't know
Yeah,
about that.
that works. It helps.
I meant sort of like, yeah, work it.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe like, okay. Yeah, okay, you got the right idea. I mean, he's gonna know, right? There's no way getting around it.
He won't know. Put a WSU poster over it. Be like, look what I got you. Why'd you put it there? Thought it was just a good place. I like it then. Can I move it? No, that's where I put it for you.
Now, this
What?
piece goes there. It's like the little cap. See,
Oh.
it has to go in there.
Okay.
And then it goes in there, and it is flexible, bendable.
Okay. Can you do it?
No,
Oh.
you can though. You're good at making things fit that don't.
What is that supposed to mean?
Well, you just got the whole piece in there.
I'm not bored for this. This is not my kind of thing.
Apparently it is.
Nah. Thanks, though. Ow, that hurt my feeling.
Yay! All right.
And we put this here, and I won't even notice.
Okay. What about this little section? What can we do here? Have like a little
Stuff it.
Nothing.
like.
You're gonna make it look worse.
No. There. Barely noticeable.
Look at that. Clear. It's beautiful.
One more. It's like it never happened. All right. And that's how you do it, folks. Thank you. Okay, see? That wasn't so difficult. So it's been a really bad first day of spring break, but I think we learned something and we came up with a quick fix for a broken
House.
house. for a broken panel on your garage door. There you have it. Hope it helped. Thanks for watching.